Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can blur a moving face in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and for example, I'm going to blur this man's face. First thing first, I'm going to duplicate this clip. I'm going to right click on the clip and then select copy, and then I'm just going to paste it. Okay, and after that guys, I'm going to add blur effect to my first clip. I'm going to go to the effect and then we can search for the blur effect. And I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to add this effect to my first clip. Okay, and after that, I'm going to put mask to the second clip. We can go to the mask option and then select the circle mask. Okay, and you can adjust the size of the mask like this according to the size of the object you want to blur. And I'm going to select reverse. Okay, and to make this mask follow the moving face or the moving object, we're going to use keyframe. So this is the keyframe feature we can use. I'm just going to add the keyframe like this. And we can adjust the position one by one until it's fully covered with the mask. Okay. Right, guys. It will take long time if your video is long or has long duration. Okay, it's almost done guys. Alright, and I'm going to check the final result. Okay, this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blur a moving face in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.